All right, guys, hey, follow along with me today. Today, we've actually sold the R33. It's been a slow process, but that's been on me. I haven't really actually advertised this car anywhere. I've sent you guys some content on YouTube. I've put stuff out there, kind of detailed every step by step. And in between there, the car has actually just been kind of chilling. I've had to do other things like in my life, like take care of work and make money. So the battery was actually dead on the R34. It's been a while since I drove it. I think the last time is when we did the filming of the Tomei exhaust. Then I took it back home to park it. Power steering fluid's a little low, so it's making a little noise. Something I've been meaning to get around and check into and stuff. But I really enjoy and love driving this R34. I mean, I got all the modern amenities inside. So, I mean, Apple CarPlay and things like that. So it just makes it super cool. Today was actually quite the surprise. I had many people paying attention to this car and some photos. One comment that I always tell a lot of people, like, I actually don't get a lot of attention in the R34. I get more attention in the deep marine blue 33 and even this midnight purple R33 that's about to sell today. So here she is sitting. So we're gonna start her up. Just give her a little cold start on camera here. And then I gotta move this car to get it out. We're gonna take this, get some gas in it. Caleb's gonna get this out. I'm gonna get that one out. Too many cars moving around today. So the gas is super low. This car hasn't driven in a minute. So we're just kind of going to fill it up for the new owner. Let's just get some fuel here. It needs some TLC, and I think this guy has the experience with the older cars, and I think he basically is going to give it to it. Give it to it. Even though it's got like a little bit of dust on it, now you can see like the purples and whatnot. Let's get up on the hoist, get the tires checked, all that good fun stuff. So guys, I'm just doing like a once over check. Gonna miss this car, like I said, man. So look at, I mean, this motor's nice and solid. I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna let it cool down and wait for him to get here and go over. You're on camera a little bit. So I'm filming the process. So I got the car ready so you can like check it out underneath, and then we can back it back out and go for the ride after that or whatever and hit the bank. Awesome, so dude. Pretty clean. I wiped a layer of the dust off it, you know. So yeah. Fun fact: midnight purple is the first or second highest production R33 color. It's white and then it's midnight purple. So this is all we have. We're putting air in the tires. He's gonna take this back for his journey. So we're just pumping up to 38, just make sure everything's like really good and everything for him. So I got a little surprise. I got all the paperwork for the car in here, but I also have a surprise. Curious where, like, this is just all the paperwork, some original stickers, but he's gonna find this, and I gotta ask Caleb where he thinks we should put this. This is one of those super cool model, midnight purple. Like of this? Yeah, of this car, with the stock wheels and everything. So this is going to the owner, and then one more thing, I'm gonna hand this to him. Pretty cool custom key. So I think I'm gonna hide the car. Maybe I'll hide this and like maybe call him on the way home and tell him to check the glove box or something. There it is, bro. Look at it. You see it? It's you know.
Yeah, literally this exact car. That's awesome.
So I just put it there. I met Jim, which you're gonna meet in just a minute. He texted me and said he's a couple minutes away. I met him through his YouTube channel. I'll put his screen name right here on his Instagram. But I met him watching him do his R32, and as I mentioned, I think that's how I got introduced to Andrew, who does the tuning for a lot of my cars. And the R32 went down there. That was before I was really doing a lot of YouTube stuff. So Jim's gonna be here in just a couple minutes. He's gonna check out his new car. It's delivery day. But that's how I met this guy. So it's a small community, man, and super cool. I'm really happy to sell him the car. I think he's really gonna enjoy it. I think he's gonna do really nice things to this car. So keep an eye out. I'll put his Instagram right here and his YouTube right here.
What's up, man? Yeah. Dude, good to see you finally.
You ready to see it? It's right in the corner.
Let's do it. Oh, hell yeah, dude.
So we just lifted it there. We haven't put it all the way up.
Okay.
Kind of like check it all out.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
See what you think.
It's fitting that the Mark V is right next to it.
Right? That's all part. I'll give you a tour of the whole place and
Okay.
later and stuff. But you can check it out. All this stuff I kind of showed you over the phone is, you know, you'll see. But super clean car. I just drove it. I put 50 bucks in gas for you.
Ah,
So you don't have to
appreciate
like,
it.
stop right away.
Yeah.
Like, how much? And like, just put some gas in it.
Hopefully the tires are good enough to make it back.
Yeah, actually, I mean, I checked the date for my one buddy. I just checked the dates on him. He just put 38 in them. What were they at? They were like 22, all of them were around. Yeah, so they're pretty low. It just sits, you know?
Yeah.
So I'll show you where it was sitting next door.
Yeah, just check this out.
But
I'm super excited.
So the radiator, we just checked that. If you want to, you can pop that open. No, if you want to pop it open, like it's cold. But it's radiator fluid in there. It's full. Okay. So I just, you know, I'm just preparing you for the long drive.
Yeah.
So
getting some PTSD from looking at these engine bays from my R32, but
yeah. I told the camera that you had one before, so
yeah.
Let's see if the keys are in. I mean, it'll just fire right up. Nice. The battery was a little weak. Okay. But when once I drove it, it's just been starting fine. Yeah. So, but I would like on my list, I would battery change like one day. Cool. So I'll keep it always on a tender and stuff. But you can see how smooth the motor is. Just you've been around these.
Yeah. Is there any major oil leaks or anything?
No, I think there was a little bit. Was it on this one power steering too, or I can't remember. There was.
This was the one that we really didn't have anything. It was just that one spot that we saw that was wet, but it was old residual stuff.
Yeah. You can check anything, everything. But you've been around these cars.
Oh yeah, dude, this thing's really clean, definitely.
Yeah.
Earlier this year, I was looking at another one, a midnight purple one, and that's when I had the NSX. I don't know if you remember.
Yeah.
And I was gonna like work out a trade deal for it and stuff, and it was really clean. It looked clean. As soon as we put it up on the lift, dude, the whole underside was terrible. It's rust everywhere.
This one's got the. I mean, I said it in my video. It's got the paint, like the JDM.
Yeah.
But like, you can tell. I mean, it might have had like the little surfacey things, but like, I can't remember the dude's name. It's got that really clean black one in Cali. Forgottonzilla, I think.
Yeah, probably.
But he saw all the video and he's like, yours is way cleaner than mine.
Yeah. A lot of GTRs look good from the outside, but once you peek underneath,
well, like my friend, like you know, like this GTRs are here, my 33s are here, and like we can do the trunk right now.
Nice.
So it's always here, there, and then like up in here and stuff. We got a light if you want. Where's that light at, Caleb? Yeah. We can check anything out. There's obviously all the pieces are there. This one was broken like that.
Yeah, you showed me that.
Yeah, and then this. Yeah, you can put
just look. So
you have a spare.
Not terrible at all.
I looked at some paperwork today, and like there's one the Japanese dude's name's on there, and that's like the original guy. So.
That's super cool.
Yeah. And then this there's like a so this light. Remember you saw this, right?
Yeah.
So this thing like lights up, but the wiring goes to here, so that's why this was off. So that is like making something click. So you could probably just like pull this out. I just never went into it, but that's what this wire is all about. Okay. So like it makes this relay just like click every once in a while. It's weird.
Okay.
I don't know.
Does the light work?
Yeah. So it's like kind of cool, right? Here.
Yeah. I mean, I'd probably go back to, yeah, I'd probably revert it. But.
Whatever you want to do, man. Yeah. So we went to the frame rail so you can see that one spot where we talked about, which is there.
Yeah, it's just from jacking it. That's not bad at all.
No, it's not bad at all. Huh.
So my main concern would be, just the pinch welds.
Yeah, but the rears are good because they always go to the arms on the rears.
Yeah,
we always try to go to frame, you know.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Usually people sometimes jack them up from here.
I think there was one on this side right here.
No, I think it's the other side.
Yeah, there's one.
Yeah, so that's common.
I've done that when I was a kid. Like, oh, let's just go tire change, you know, whatever. Yeah. So. Yeah. Okay, but you can check this out. It looks like this is newer.
That's definitely rebuilt.
Yeah. Yeah, you can check it out. This, like I said, is painted, so it's hard, but it's not wet.
Yeah. A little bit from the front diff, but that's normal.
Yeah, there's no smells from this car. This, I think, there's a. What? I think that's the power steering.
Does the AC work? Did you?
Yeah, I fixed the AC.
Okay.
There was one of the lower line was bad or something,
Okay.
so we fixed that, charged it. Good.
So is this R134 or is it R12?
R134.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Normal. He didn't tell me it was anything abnormal. It's one of my buddies. Okay. But we put this lip on.
Yeah.
So I mean, we had these bolts. We had to do whatever.
Yeah.
The factory one had a little bit of different holes. Like me and Caleb did. It's pretty good. Legit, you know.
Nice. It still has like
These bolts were actually better than my car. Like all the bolts are like all mismatched, dude.
Okay. No, it still has like these little ducts too, which is cool.
Yeah.
Dude,
Even though it's clean, huh?
I don't think I've ever even seen a stock.
No, neither. I mean, stock downplate.
Yeah, it's still stock downpipe.
So it's like it's a clean car. My 32 like leaks like a sieve right here.
Yeah, mine did too. That's like the high pressure, right, for the Tesla.
For the Tesla system. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like I said, it is what it is.
Dude, no, this thing's super clean.
It's an older car. These are always rusty. So people are like, oh yeah, you know. But that you can buy these for like $100.
Or you can just take it out.
Yeah. But I mean, they spray bombed it, but I don't see anything like crazy.
Terrible.
Even like this here is nice and I mean. This is normal.
Yeah, you can tell the subframe definitely had a little bit of like surface rust, but nothing
But
crazy.
it's not like
And I actually have like a spare front and rear subframe. Oh no, those are R32 ones. I don't think they interchange.
Yeah, 34 will.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, this thing's really clean.
Yeah.
Like fender wells is where I would always check too. Near the quarters.
Yep.
Yeah, I told myself I would only get one if it's midnight purple.
Yeah, I like them in the. This is my last Skyline. You know, I had the 32, I had the 34, 35, and I just didn't like the 33. But then, like, when I went down the rabbit hole, I'm like, oh, this is pretty cool. But, like, same thing, like, the white ones, like, the lines are just too, like...
Yeah, they look too... Yeah, they blend.
Yeah, so, like, the darker color ones look better, so...
Yeah. No, I definitely used to be on that boat, too, where it's like, R32s were a little fugly and stuff, but... I
get the most attention in my 33s.
Yeah.
My 34, like, I drove it here today for some reason, I got a lot of attention. I don't know if because I had my headlights on. But, like, a lot of times, it just looks like... People just like passenger car.
Oh, the color definitely helps a lot.
Yeah.
And once you do the proper aero on them, I feel like they're out there.
Your wheels are here.
Oh yeah, we'll check those out right now.
Yeah, whatever. And then we can go next door. We don't have to film next door stuff, but see, I told you guys it's a good car. This guy's talking from experience. He's talking from. Well, no, he's had them. You know.
Yeah.
You hang out at Animal often, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he sees these cars, and I'm like, you know, you like. Everyone's like, oh, hey, it's a good car, it's a good car. Yeah, right.
No, I've seen hundreds of GTRs.
Yeah.
Dude, I just want them because, you know, they're OEM.
I know.
And they're not bad looking wheels, to be fair.
No.
They're just...
The guy here also was like, dude, those wheels, like, you know.
Yeah.
Remember Dean? He was like all about the wheels. I was like, yeah, rebuild.
Oops. Yeah, and then for me, like, dude, I've been wanting to, like, you know, make some YouTube videos and stuff.
Yeah.
And I've missed out on so many cool things that I've done just because I was, like, too lazy to pick up a camera and record.
I get the same way. I get too busy.
It's like, with this one, I just want to document it, and, like, I feel like it would be a cool little journey.
Well, and then, I mean, we documented today, and I documented.
I've seen that.
I'll
That's
give
sick.
you some stuff off the trailer, so, like, you can just
this car has,
continue.
like...
I said earlier, I put, like, his Instagram will be down there, so you guys can follow Jim. And like I said, that's how I met him. I already said it.
Yeah, through the video.
I watched your video and I messaged you. I'm like, who did your tune? And like this. And then like from there on, you know. And then I think we met in person, but we didn't know it. But we didn't know it was each other. It was just like, oh hey, dude. It was like late at night, you know, street stuff. But yeah.
Yeah, that's sick.
It's the first mod.
We already have the first mod right here. I think it's the perfect color for this car.
I do too.
I would not do any other color.
It's gonna be sick.
So sick.
It's gonna be sick on the purple, dude.
That is so sick.
It's the right spec for the 33.
Yeah, so it's, let me see, right here on the box. So it's 18, 10.5, 15. Yeah, right, dude. Oh, it looks so sick.
Like against this color?
Oh, yeah, that contrast is great.
So like these would have went on my Deep Marine, but my Deep Marine has aftermarket rotors or calipers, and they're actually silver. There's some Brembos, but they're like, it would clash.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
Mine has a big old, like by the footwell, it's like all ripped up. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, this has to go. You showed me this.
That's how it came.
Yeah.
Well, the point of this car was like, I mean, you're the right person for it, like to modify it how you want.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
He likes it.
Yeah.
I mean, it
had
the speakers and, you know, this typical stuff, you know?
Yeah, all the wiring. Yeah, I remember I saw it. And
there's a circle thing there that came out. There's like a TV, I think, here.
Yeah, it looks good.
I'm telling you, the dude was an old dude.
Yeah, let's go.
I got something else for you.
Oh.
That's not what you think.
Oh.
But check it out.
Oh, that's sick. Dude, hell yeah. Who makes this?
This is from Australia, Pro Spec. So
Okay.
I ordered a couple. One was like particularly for this car.
Okay.
So these are super cool. Pro Spec in Australia had these.
Yeah, it's awesome.
They had like neochrome, just
Titanium.
Yeah.
So I'm probably gonna have to find somebody who's willing to cut it.
Well, no, I mean this is probably regular. You know?
Okay, yeah, the top is one.
But I would take one of those keys and get someone to cut it, and then like verify it, and then you know cut it.
Yeah, this key works fine. So cool, dude. I appreciate that so much, man.
Hey, bro.
Dude, awesome.
Enjoy your new car.
Oh yeah, dude.
You're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Let's go square up the paperwork.
Yep.
So guys, so that's Jim. He's the new owner of this R33 GTR V-Spec. He loves the car. I mean, you just drove it. It's
Great.
Yeah.
Solid car, clean.
So follow his channel. You guys will see what he's gonna do with it. I'm excited because, like I said, it's a blank canvas. You've been around the scene.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes usually from Japan they come with weird body kits or like weird funky stuff or like interiors all changed up, but this is perfect.
Yeah.
It's ready for a nice OEM plus build.
That's the way to do it. Yeah. So like I think what I said before, and not to cut him off, but I got my BN6, the Bayside Blue, or not the Bayside, but the Deep Marine Blue. And then this came to me as an offer, and it was such a clean car. I could tell from the ones I look at, I just had to like bring it in, and I wanted to kind of import it and do that whole experience. It's just something, and I'm glad to hand it off to you, dude.
Yeah.
So enjoy your new car.
Awesome.
I'm gonna watch it and see, and I'm super
keep up with
stoked
it?
that he's happy about it. So
Yeah, maybe next year for SEMA we can bring it up and hopefully it's nice and done up.
there's a lot of 33s in Vegas, man.
Yeah, there
because like
is.
the 34 prices are just getting up there. So like just a lot of 33s now.
Yeah, these are still obtainable and they're great cars, and I feel like people are growing on them like really fast.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you guys on the next one, and I don't know what it'll be, but see you guys.